Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Leads Leap review video, I'd like to show you how you can create a free lead capture page literally within just minutes. So all you do is click the link in the description and just set up a free account. You get a free lifetime membership. And when you come into your menu, you come down here to Page Builder, and you can create almost any kind of web page you can think of. An opt-in page, a thank you page, a product delivery page, etc. So you go into Page Manager, and that's the page I'm in here, Page Manager. And then all you do, it's really simple and beginner friendly. You go on to add a new campaign. And just for the purpose of this video, we're going to call it, we'll call it test. And then you go on to add now. And the great thing about this is you can set yourself apart from, if you're promoting a company or a product, you can set yourself apart from all the other, from the masses that are promoting that same product. So we're going to go into add a new page to start. So we've got test here. We're going to go into add a new page to start. And we're not going to use the share code. I'll come to that a bit later on the video. We're going to add a blank page. And what this does, you then go into launch. So it's all explained for you here. Click this to start designing. And all you do is launch editor. And then you've got templates. So these are done for you templates. It's really beginner friendly. If you've never created a lead capture page before, you can choose from all of these templates. And they're all customizable and editable. So really, really simple. If you don't want to do an opt-in page, there's also thank you page templates, review page, sales page, and download page where you can put your download links in. So we're doing a lead capture page today. I'm going to capture people's leads, email addresses. And just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to keep it really simple today. And let's go on to this one here. So all you do is just click on the template and it will just load up. Now, don't get overwhelmed with, there's lots of information on this, especially on the right hand side here. You don't get overwhelmed with all this information because it's, you stick to the basics. It's really simple to use, and the more you use it, the easier it becomes. So what I'm going to do today is just keep this really simple and just show you how easy it is. So let's say, as an example, you want to change this text here. So it's drag and drop, and it's also customizable and editable. So wherever you put your mouse is where you're going to edit. So I put my mouse on here and I click. On the right hand side, the editor will change, and you'll see the WYSIWYG here is the text that matches the text on the template. And what you can do is you can just highlight it, and let's just delete that. And then let's put something like, it's really simple. Okay, let's just, it's really simple and easy to create a capture page. And then all you do is, if you click on the, see there, align center, that will align your text center. Whatever you're doing within that text, you can change it within these. You can configure it within these features, these functions. See, that's the word functions, not features. So you see, just read it. It says text general color. So that's the color at the moment. Let's say you want to go to a turquoise. Click on turquoise, and then just click choose. And if you don't want that little dash there, just click on it, and you'll see the top here, little yellow line, and then delete, and then that's gone. And then let's say if you want to change this here, change the button here, just click on it, and you'll see the text here in the WYSIWYG. Again, you can change colors, you can change fonts. So a lot of things that you just do with a general WYSIWYG. So this is forever free, because Lead Sleep is a free lifetime membership. And let's say if you want to change, let's say you don't want this girl in the background, so you can play around with that. And all you do is then you click on the background, and then it brings up this gallery. You can put a video background in there now. I've done another video on that if you want to look at that on my channel. All you do is just click on that image there, and there's a video background, there's a gallery. So if you want to put your own images in there, let's say if we want to, there's quite a few to choose from in here. Let's say we want to change the background to this one with the apps on. That's it. And then you've got some other functions, other options here. And all you do is click out of there. And once you're happy with it, so you can see how simple it is. Everything's drag and drop. Maybe you want to drag this down a bit lower. You can drag that down lower. You can drag that down lower. Maybe you want to just all simple, just drag and drop, really, really simple to use. And all you do is you go on to save, and then your work saved. And if you want to preview it before you save it, go on to full preview, and you can see exactly how it's going to look. That's how what your prospects are going to see. And if you look in the top right hand corner, you can see exactly how. So this is how it will look on a desktop. And if you click on tablet, that's how it's going to look on an iPad or a tablet. And mobile or cell phone, that's how it's going to look when your prospects are on their iPhone, on their Samsung or their Android, whatever smartphone they're using. So you can see it just adapts itself automatically to the device that your prospects are going to be using. So it's very, very clever. And then all you do is, bear with me, let's go back. Let's just X out of there. And then you've saved your work. And then you can, if you want to put a list onto there, you can add a list to it. As a free member, you can just do broadcast, but you can add a welcome email to it. And there's lots of other things you can do here. You can add rows in there. So there's the board. There's lots of things you can do. And if you just go back into the main page here, the main page manager, you'll see here in the top right hand corner tutorial. So it's very beginner friendly. All you do is click on tutorial while you're in page manager, and it will give you all this information down here: how to import a share code, what is a share code, how to activate a page, how to edit a page, all the information you need. They call these side-by-side tutorials. All these side-by-side tutorials are here to help you, and you can't break anything. You just play around with it, and then once you've got your page, then this, as a free member, you'll get this link here, and that's the link you will use to promote your lead capture page. And then once you've got a lead capture page, then you've also got all the other features within Leads Leap. So you've got a free list builder, a link tracker. There's 5 ways now to make money. You can get traffic with Leads Leap. I'll just quickly show you the share code. So what you'll find is that people like myself who are already Leads Leap members, we've created our own lead capture page. So you'll see in the bottom right hand corner, this has been created with Leads Leap. I just keep it nice and simple. And this is you get what's called a share code. And then if you partner with me, or you partner with anybody else who's a regular Leads Leap user, they can give you a share code that you just copy and paste into the back of Leads Leap, and then you can get these lead capture pages done automatically. This was one share code that I was given. I put my video in there, so this is what we call a video sales letter. This converts as well. If you look at my click engine results, you'll see that I'm getting great results using this. This is what I use for prosperity marketing system. And then if you want something more advanced with Second Splash and a Leads Leap funnel, this is a share code that I got from another team member that I'm working with. And I just use the share codes that he gave me here to create these pages. So it's not only pages you can create yourself, but working with other Leads Leap members and the programs they're promoting, then you can use the share codes just to copy and paste a few clicks and have these done for you lead capture pages. So lots of options for you. So there'll be a link in the description where you can join Leads Leap for free. And just before I go, bear with me, I want to show you this. Go on to dashboard. I want to show you that by promoting Leads Leap as a free member, you can also earn commissions. So if I go on to dashboard and I scroll down here, so I'm live in my account, you'll see that Leads Leap, so far I've earned $343 with Leads Leap. And that's recurring income. So what you do is, as a free member, just go into here and show you this table here. As a free member, I started out as a free member. So you can not only use the tools, but you can promote them as an affiliate. And then as a free member, left-hand column here, you can earn 25% recurring commissions. And as a pro member, 50% recurring commission. So I started out for free. And then when I started to earn these 25% recurring commissions on a consistent basis, that allowed me to upgrade to pro and get more benefits from Leads Leap, and also promote the tools and earn 50% recurring commissions as well, because everyone needs tools, traffic and training, and that's what Leads Leap offers. So the link in the description will take you to a page like this, and all you do just to set up your free account is click on that icon there, and then just choose a username, give them your email address, put your first name in there, create a password, and then sign up for a free account. And then that will take you into the back office. And then don't get overwhelmed by all the information in here. Just take your time, have a good look through. And if you need some help, then my email address will be in the description, and you can contact me if you need help with anything, or you want some share codes from me for any of the lead capture pages or the programs I'm promoting with Leads Leap. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel if you give me a like. And please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. And currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've got over 850 videos now on the channel. If you've got any questions at all about Leads Leap, then please leave those in the comments below, because I'm using these the traffic and the tools to earn the commissions that you see on here. So all of these commissions that you see, the proof of all these commissions, I'm using the Leads Leap tools to earn those commissions. So it just shows you that they do work. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.